Unboxing day. Let's do it. Calecim, fabulous. It is my growth factor, and it's an eye contour lifting cream. That's the growth factor, little bitty growth factor. It'll last me right at a month. Eye cream will last me 6 months. And it really helps with this crow's feet stuff. It's mine. They made these suckers easier. Okay, you know I'm having trouble with my skin barrier sometimes when I overdo some of my products and devices, etc. So Dermatology came out with a 7-day rescue and recovery protocol, Barrier IQ, okay? This is the product, and I'm excited about it. I actually am having no problems right now, so I actually bought this just to have on hand if and when I ever have a skin barrier issue. Again, I can do this 7-day protocol. So I'm not gonna be reviewing this soon, hopefully. I have no idea when I'll review that, okay, simply because. Now, then other 2 products I got, Hydroquinone. I'm having some sunspots right here that are popping up, and I'm like, this is what happens when you don't use sunscreen at a younger age. Liza and Gracie, really more Liza than Gracie, you end up getting sunspots at age 57 that you don't know why they're coming, but mine are coming from my teens and 20s because I started using sunscreen religiously in my 30s. So I know where these are coming from. So I got Hydroquinone, and then I got some more universal tinted sunscreen. This one is Glow/Prevent SPF 46, okay? Those 2. Oh, and look what else I got. I better use it in a hurry. They sent me a $10 off. Sorry, Bobby, gotta use it. Gotta use it. Stuff I've been seeing on Facebook and the book. All right, and I don't know if y'all were like me, but y'all remember the orange gel sunscreen or whatever it was that our mamas used to wear. It was called Bain de Soleil. And this is a product supposedly similar to that to give us those memories and nostalgia. Orange Gelee. I'll be trying it. And I also got, like I need another shimmer oil. As the men that sing with me know, when I have that stuff on, they go home looking like they've been with a stripper. I'm not a stripper, no. But they go home and bless their hearts, it's on their shoulder or it's somewhere where I've touched something, then they've touched something. It's bad and it's all over everybody. So, but they have a beautiful vacation oil. Maybe we should just put a little on right now. See, it does have an SPF of 30 bonus. Okay, so it comes like this. Vacation Shimmer Oil, SPF 30. Let's take a look. All right, that's really runny. Really runny. And let's see what the shimmer, it is an oil, which we all know I need more oil. As dry as the Sahara Desert. Okay, see how, okay, that's kind of pretty. It does not have flecks in it. It actually right now just looks like that's the only thing it is the oil. Oil. How do you say oil? Oil or oil? Okay, so that's what that is. But it doesn't have too much. It doesn't have like a glitter fleck in it. It's just kind of a shimmer. Okay, so that may not leave everybody sparkling. I don't know. We'll try it. All right, let's go again. Okay, as we see, we know what that is. These are all my happy little surprises that hopefully my husband is not watching. I needed a new light for my phone that's a little bit brighter. And so, oh, it looks like the one I already have. Oh, I hope I didn't rebuy the same thing. I hope I didn't buy the same thing. Sometimes I've done that before, by mistake. Don't tell Bobby. If this is what I think it is, I can't believe I'm about to tell you. This is going to be embarrassing. This is a major truth moment. Major truth moment. Okay, here we we go. If you know, you know. As we get into our menopause stages, little hairs start popping out everywhere. Then, if you're on HRT, in addition, it is like crazy. You almost have a beard. And you'll be going somewhere, and all of a sudden you'll go, oh my gosh, I just took care of this. So, I have had one of these for a while, and it stopped working on me. So I had to replace it. So I bought, it's a mini shaver so that I can kind of take care of my menopause beard. Yes, this is a bit embarrassing to show y'all this, but isn't it a pretty color? Okay, I didn't have a choice on the color. This is the color that was on sale. Bobby, I got it on sale. But I actually keep this in my purse or in my car so that, you know, when my best friend says, honey, I love you, but it's time. I can see those reflecting in the sunlight. And you know who you are that said that. The rest of y'all do too, Melissa. Which I love a girlfriend that'll be honest with you and go, hey, sugar, it's time. You know, you're glowing there, and not in a good way. Okay, I got some nose hair. The kind of nose hair thing that you put it in your nose and twist it, and it'll take care of your nose hairs, because my little nose hairs right here will grow out of my nose, and then I look like I got tarantulas coming out of my nose right there. This is a sign you'll never think about again. Okay, there, tarantulas. So you want to make sure you get all those nose hairs out. So I bought me some of those, which will also probably, one or two will go in the car. There was a deal. Why is it open? It's supposed to be 2 and it's supposed to be closed. Brand new Cetaphil hydrating and firming cream for crepey looking skin. And we've all talked about, I have got some serious crepey skin. It came in a 2-pack from Amazon. Now, da-da, 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 da-da. If you have not heard of Beauty Pie, membership service, what it is it gets rid of the middleman in extremely high-end products. So you do not have to pay for, you pay for high-end products that you would get at the dermatologist, the plastic surgeon, Neiman Marcus, those fancy places, but they come straight from the Swiss lab, the Italy lab, where they're actually being created. I found it a few years ago, and you would not believe the money you will save on high-end actives, okay? Fabulous. And I love the packaging, so it's so fabulous when you get a package from there. They were having a special, so I had to take advantage of it, but I don't even remember what I bought. Oh, and I got a Happy. Oh, that's a big Happy. Check. Okay, that's big. Look, that is a big bag. That's a good Happy. Thank you for the Happy, Beauty Pie. Okay, I bought, what did I buy this time? Acid Enzyme Exfoliating Cleanser. Okay, so we all know that we should be using AHAs on our body, okay? We need AHAs, which would be salicylic acid. This has got a papaya enzyme plus mallow extract, oat extract. It is just a cleanser that I will be using in my bath. Some Hydroglow sheet masks. Beauty Pie, is this just 1? 5 masks. Okay, so this is 5 anti-aging and hydrating hydrolyzed hyaluronic acid masks. Now, we have learned that there's not much long-term benefit here, but it's very good to do once or twice a week. My hands, I'm really starting to work on my hands, which used to be a friend of mine, used to tell me that my face looked my age, but my hands looked 100. And most of y'all know who said that to me. But so I'm trying this. This is a retinol hand cream that I'll put beside my bed and use at night. It is the triple hyaluronic elastic eye serum. I got that. As you can see, having some under-eye dryness, is the Super Drops Flash Face Lift Intense Serum with double matrixyl peptides. So this is going to be one of my peptides serums that I'm going to be using. The Japanese Fusion, this is another Genius Lift Elixir. Okay, hopefully y'all can read that. Massage a nut-sized amount directly onto cleansed and toned skin. A nut size amount. First time I've ever heard that. No comment. Triple hyaluronic acid. That was my beauty pie haul. That's everything for today. That was a lot, and I had to do it while Bobby was out of town. I'll have these things linked down below or somewhere if you want to check them out further. Sounds good. Thank y'all so much. Have a good weekend.